This time the Quick Speed Shop, I'm on the road, I'm at Tony's shop, and we're going to put new hardtop hinges on this 2000 Jeep TJ Wrangler. Alright, so Tony, what's going on with this Jeep?
Well, I took it out to get some firewood, and I was driving around with the hatch open, and well, these old hinges kind of let go, both of them at the same time, so the Jeep's pretty much useless until I can get the hardtop hinges working again. So,
well, let's go ahead and disassemble it, and we'll show you what new hinges we're going to put on. First thing to do, let's open the gate. I'll hold on to the glass so it doesn't fall out. And I'm not a Jeep expert, but Tony is. So here we are. We're going to take this glass out. This part's scary. I got a little screwdriver here. So both these hinges are broke free, so we're going to open the glass and kind of hang on to it because it's only hooked to the gas shocks right now. We're both going to hold it, and then we're going to take these gas shocks loose here. I'll zoom in and show you that. We'll unhook the wires, and then we'll go from there. Here, hold on to this. Here, hold on. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the rear wiper cover off here. There's 3 Phillips screws up in here, supposedly. But they don't appear to feel unless they're small. There's one. Can you see what I'm doing? All right, here we go. They're all full of dirt.
I kind of off camera took some of the dirt out of there.
Okay.
Apparently we drove through the mud with the hinge or the hatch open.
Oh, there goes one screw. All right, here we go. So what we got here is we got a wiring connection for the motor, and just full of spiders. I think I got to pull this red clip out here, the safety clip. Probably release this, I'm gonna guess somehow.
Yeah, I think that pushes
this way.
Yeah. Put it behind here and pry it back.
I think here. There we go, like that. Unplug that, and then we got a hose here for a rear squirter. Just gonna go ahead and pull that off. So that unconnects the rear wiper. This Jeep's got rear defrost. These wires got some kind of little fancy clip action. Just pop this clip up and off. There's a little clip on each side. You can use your little screwdriver here like so to get up under here. Use my finger to release the other side if I can get under it. I take the top loose like that. There we go. There's a little push button on the inside you got to push up as well. So keep holding it, Tony. Push in here. There we go. Now the next thing we got to do is remove the gas shocks. Focus. There's little plastic tabs here. I've started this one already. You just kind of work these out with a screwdriver, and this end piece will come right out like that. And then hold on to your glass, and this should just pop off of here. Don't let it hit the go up and hit the glass. There we go. Just gonna let that hang. There's the gas shock. So now the glass is loose this time. We'll go ahead and we'll remove this. We'll set it to the side. So now that the glass is off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbolt the 2 top halves of the hinges. It looks like 10mm. There's 4 bolts into the hardtop. We'll take those out. You guys down south might not have to worry about this, but up north we got salt and corrosion issues and just eats this aluminum stuff up like crazy. So it's normal procedure up here in the north part of the country. Alright, now that we got the hinges removed from the hardtop, we're going to go over to the glass and remove the other half of the hinges from the glass, and then we'll open up our new hinges from Quadratech. Alright, so here we got the glass down on the fender stand. There's 2 nuts, one each side. The one on that side's under the wiper motor. This one's got a rubber cover. I'm just going to go ahead and try to pop this off here with a little screwdriver to expose the nut here. Can you see me? Where's my hand? Right there. There's a nut. It is 11mm, which I just happen to have right here. I'm going to gingerly break this loose. Don't drop your ratchet on the glass, that'd be bad. Just back this nut off here. We got a little bit of corrosion. Okay, here we go. So the hinge comes right off. There's a little plastic bushing here. First hinge is off. I'll put that together and set it aside. Zoomed in a little bit for the driver's side here. You got the nut as part of the wiper motor assembly. Just loosen this up. Back this off. Alright, the driver's side's got a long stud on it to reach all the way through this. So there we go. We removed the factory hinges. Let's go open up the new ones and check them out. Alright, Tony ordered these hinges from Quadratech. Let's go ahead and unbox them. Oh, we got some paper. Oh, what we got here? Got an advertisement. Here's your receipt. Thank you. We got a box of hinges in a box. Got some miscellaneous Quadratech stickers here in the box. Set this aside. Here's the part number that comes with the hinges. These are for 87 to 06 TJYJ Hardtop. They're black powder-coated stainless steel hinges. Come wrapped up in plastic. Stainless steel, we got bronze bushings in here in the hinge points, powder coated black. And then you see by your longer stud, this is the driver's side, the passenger side. Got some new hardware for the top of the hinges and some instructions here. So let's go ahead and put them on the Jeep. Alright, so the driver's side hinge here, I've removed the nut and the bushing because they are caged. The factory bushings are caged here in the wiper motor. So I'm going to set those aside. I'm going to reuse the factory nut. And I'm going to just stick this back up in the hole. Actually, I should get a rag and wipe the dirt off here. Hold on, let's do that. Make a cleaner installation. That's what happens, you guys four-wheel these Jeeps, they get all muddy. Well, we got the technology to fix that. There we go. Let me blast this other side too while I'm at it. Okay, it's take the hinge. I want to make sure that the plastic, where are you? Take the hinge and make sure the plastic plate is seated on here. I'm just going to slide it up under the glass back into the hole. And I got the factory nut already on here. So we're just going to take these down, snug a little bit, and leave them a little bit loose for final adjustment when we get the glass back on the Jeep. I'm just going to finger snug that up, then we'll put the other side on. I'm going to use the new bushing up here on top on the inside. Just slide this right up in here like that. That down finger tight. There we go. The hinges are installed on the glass. We'll go ahead and we'll put the gate back on the Jeep and go from there. We're going to reinstall the glass now. We got the hinges on the glass. We're going to hold this up here. Here you hold it. We got one. We got new hardware. These are stainless steel bolts that came with a kit. They're black powder coated stainless. Come down a little bit. Down a little bit. So we'll put all this together loosely, and I'll snug it up a little bit, then we'll we'll fit the glass to make sure it closes all right before we put the gas shocks and all that on.
Alright.
Alright, so now we'll let the glass down slowly. You don't want to slam anything. We'll just see how it lines up. Like a 1/4 inch gap there. Looks pretty good right there. Oh, this plastic is slid. I've got to adjust the plastic shim here. Is slid down a little bit. I got to loosen that and pick it up. But our gaps are pretty good. It's about a 1/4 inch on each side. They get a little bit tighter as they go up here. Let's see what the gate looks like. Makes contact with a rubber edge down here good. Seals the glass up tight when it's closed. I think we're alright. I'm going to go ahead and readjust this plastic shim, or plastic bracket here. Seems to fit up good. We'll go ahead and we'll tighten on the 2 top hinges here. And then we'll reconnect all the other miscellaneous hardware. We're happy with our fitment here, so I'm going to blow the spiders out of this. Here, we're going to go ahead and put the electric back together for the rear wiper. This just clicks together here, then the red catch clips like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rear wiper feed hose back on. We'll put the gas shocks on last. Go ahead and hook up the connection for the rear window defroster here. It clips on like that. This guy comes over here and clips on like this. So then I'll get all the electric hooked back up and put the gas shocks on last. The exposed side of the rod goes down. Just put this back on here and I'll push the clips back in. Give me a little action here. Wait, you gotta close the glass first, or you close this first?
Oh, either or.
Okay.
So it should.
Wait, the glass don't clear this, will it?
No, look at. It actually stayed up.
So bam, let's check it out. We got our gas shocks on now. We can go ahead and close the glass. Close it up nice. Alright, so there we go, bam, it was just that easy. These are Kentrell hinges, powder coated stainless steel hinges that we bought from Quadratech. And I'll put a link in the description for the what they are and the part number and all that. But thanks Tony for letting us do this little video here at Tony's Jeep Shop. And it's pretty easy to see how to put these on. They fit 87 to 06 YJ and TJ hardtops. And wasn't too bad of a job at all. So there we go, thanks Tony.
Well, thank you. A lot easier with 2 people.
Yep. Now the glass won't fall off in the woods and break. So as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to put a circle right over there, over the Adirondack sticker. I'll put a new circle over there to subscribe. Putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And as always, we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop. Or at Tony's shop. Or the Quick Speed Shop. Wherever. We'll be somewhere. See you later.